In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Facebook location settings. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu, tap it gear to open up settings. And then the easiest way to find location tool is just stop right here at that search icon. Then search for location. Tap at device permissions at the very top. And that's where we can find a location. All we have to do now is just stop at see info next to it, and then update settings. After we tap at open device, settings will be taken to our device settings. On an iPhone, it looks like that right here. We need to top that location, and that's where we can change location settings. We can change the option, which is called Allow Location Access, to never ask next time, or when I share, or while using the app. I recommend you to use these option. And also we can get to that menu directly from our device settings on an iPhone. We need to go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, Location Services. And then we need to scroll down until you find Facebook. And that's where we can change location settings.